Hi everyone, here we have a 4 Victorinox Swiss Army knife. Those two are standard SD Swiss Army knife, but just a different color. And those two are the new ones. It's called a Tomo knife. One is a mint color, one is yellow. So let's take a look at those new ones first. Okay, yellow one. Yellow is my favorite color anyway. Okay, so the box is very nice. It has Victorinox Swiss Army logo on it, and it's made of paper, recycled paper. So when you open the box, okay, there's just paper taped in there. Let's see what it says on that. It says Victorinox Tomo, designed by Abitakex Tokyo, Swiss made. The designer's name actually is called Kazuma Yamaguchi. So let's look at the knife itself. This is the knife. It's rectangular shape, has keyring. I think it looks very good. And there is a Victorinox. So it has a standard blade and a nail file on the other one. Okay, so those are the two things here. In the back there is a standard small but useful scissors. So those are the only three things on it, and with the keyring. There is no tweezers or toothpick for this one, but I still like it. I still like to carry it because it's just something different. Let's look at the other color, this one. Okay, same, just colors different. I like the box, it's just so beautiful. It's very good design. So here's the logo, blade, nail file with trimmer, keyring, and in the back there's scissors. Okay, so those two are the new ones they released, and those two are the standard ones. I don't have the red colors here, but I like those colors too. I think they look very nice. Let me show you closely here. And this one looks like that. And here is the back. So let's do some comparison here. As you can see, the length of it is about the same length. Let's look at the blade. And blade for this one. The blade is the same length too. So basically just the design on the outer shell is different. The thickness is let me see. I'll see it's about the same. And the other difference is just this one doesn't have the tweezers and the toothpick. But I still like this one. I like the color of this too. But SD is always the best too. Well, so those are those four knives here. I'll including those the website links in the section below. Thanks for watching.